Hello friends, let's start the new video lecture of Pramesh notes. In the previous video we learned about process of spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Now we will try to cover the most of basic parts regarding fertilization. I have prepared a very good slide that may not lead me to explain extra thing by going beyond the text in slides. So my dear friends, fertilization is very complex physiochemical process. Here the physiochemical means the phenomenon that link with both human physiology and chemical reactions. As we all know, fertilization is nothing but combination of male gametes and female gametes, that is the combination of sperm and eggs. Fertilization happens in two ways. One is internally and another is externally. In the internal one, the physiochemical process happens inside the body reproduction part. Organisms possessing these kinds of fertilization are either ovoviviparous or viviparous. In external one, the process happens outside the body, and oviparous adopt these features. As we all know, fertilization is also explained in terms of fertilizing-anti-fertilizing reaction. Let's know what these fertilizing and anti-fertilizing actually are. So, fertilizants are chemical substances present on the surface of eggs, whereas anti-fertilizing are chemical substances present on surface layer of cytoplasm of spermatozoa. Also, fertilizations are glycoprotein or mucopolysaccharides, whereas anti-fertilizing are acidic protein molecule. In this way, we call it as fertilizing-anti-fertilizing reaction. Let's go through detail and learn about what actually happens in the process where combination of gametes changes its phase into an embryo. When sperm arrives near the oogenia or oocyte, the vitelline membrane of egg is necessary to be broken, and hence sperm breaks the vitelline membrane of secondary oocytes. When the acrosome of spermatozoa touches the surface of egg, the cytoplasm of the egg bulges forward, forming receptive cone or fertilization cone. The region where sperm enters the egg is called as receptive cone. Through the cone of reception of egg, sperm enter into animal pole. After this, acrosome present in tip of sperm releases sperm lysine, that is proteolytic enzyme, and sperm just casts out its tail. The sperm lysine produced by sperm and vitelline membrane present on eggs just combine to form fertilization membrane, which is very hard in nature. When sperm meets egg, the plasma membrane of the two cells fuse together and sperm releases its genetic material into the egg. After this, cortical reaction, that is chemical combination, happens as we already discussed. The fusion leads the egg to be activated and it begins its developmental program, and the diploid nuclei of the two gametes come together to form the genome of new diploid organism. In this way, formation of first zygote happens. Till now, we discussed only gametogenesis and fertilization. Now the original game of embryology starts and passes through several steps like gastrulation, blastulation, etc., which we will discuss in upcoming videos. So see you again with new topic called embryogenesis, under which we discuss cleavage stage, morulation, blastulation, gastrulation. After all this we discuss organogeny and organogenesis, also metamorphosis, and then we shall end up this chapter. Thank you for watching.